The hook is one of the most explosive punches in boxing, perfect for knocking opponents off balance and landing powerful shots. In this video I'll break down how to throw both left and right hooks, different variations, common mistakes and ways to use them effectively. Let's get started. A hook is a short, compact punch thrown in a circular motion. Unlike straight punches, hooks come from the side, making them harder to see and defend against. You can throw hooks with either hand, targeting the head or body. A well-placed hook can knock an opponent off balance or even end a fight. Let's start with the left hook and how to throw it properly. First, you want to start in your stance, feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, hands up in guard position. Then you want to rotate your body. You pivot on your lead foot, you twist your hips and shoulders into the punch. Keep your elbow bent at 90 degrees. Your arms should stay compact, don't swing too wide. And then the thumb position, which is optional. If your thumbs are up, it's more compact and defensive. If you punch with your thumbs down, it adds more torque and snap to the punch. Last but not least, snap it back to guard. Don't overcommit, return to your stance quickly. Now the right hook. The mechanics are similar, but with some key differences. First, you want to rotate on your right foot. You drive power from your back leg. Then you want to turn your hips and shoulders. The rotation generates the force. You want to keep your elbows bent. A compact motion keeps it tight and powerful. The right hook is best used at mid-range, so keep that in mind. And last but not least, you need to stay balanced. Don't swing too wide or lean too far forward. Here are some common mistakes to avoid while throwing a hook. First, we have swinging too wide. A hook should be compact. If you swing too wide, it's slow, easy to see and leaves you open to counters. Then you have not rotating the hips. Your power comes from your legs and core, not just your arm. If you don't rotate properly, your hook will be weak. And then we have dropping your other hand. Keep your non-punching hand up. Dropping it leaves your chin exposed to counters. Here are some left hook variations. First, you have your standard left hook, a compact, powerful shot thrown from your stance. Then you have the power left hook. You sit down on the punch, driving through the hips for maximum force. Then you have the double hook. You throw two hooks in succession, mostly targeting the head and the body. And then you have the lunging hook. It's used to cover distance quickly while still delivering power.
Davis! Oh, you're kidding me. You're kidding.
Then you have the step in hook. You step forward as you throw, and it's great for closing distance. Here are some right hook variations. So first we have the standard right hook, a compact mid-range hook with good power.
Well, it has so much power.
Yeah, that was a right uppercut. He didn't hit the ground as well.
Then you have the body hook, which is mostly aimed at the ribs or the liver, and is great for wearing an opponent down.
So counter right hand by Mike Tyson is invited. And there was an uppercut. What a shot.
Then you have the pairing jab into the right hook. So you use the jab to distract them, and then follow up with a strong hook. And then we have the famous overhand right, which I'm going to put in this section. It's a looping punch that comes over the top and is great against high bars. And last but not least, we have the haymaker, a wide, powerful punch meant for knockouts, but is very risky to throw.
And this is the finishing series. Oh man, that snapped the head, crashes the. Oh man, it crashes the brain heavily.
That's how you throw a proper hook, whether it's the left or right hook. Focus on technique, power, and setting up the right openings. Next up, we'll break down the uppercut.